everyone. It's Tuesday.
25th.
The 25th of January. January? Oh, look at that. No snow. July. Oh.
Well, we had the date right.
Yeah, we had the J. That's it.
We just didn't have the letter in the model, you know.
God. I don't know. But it is a nice day. I'm trying to get my front end aligned on Bluetooth. I was on the phone for probably 45 minutes between a couple dealerships. Supposedly CanAm certified dealers, and one of them says nope, we send them out. So I asked them where they send them, and they gave me the name, so I called and they said they don't do them. So then I called another one that's an hour and 45 minutes away, and they said nope, they don't have the machine because I want it laser aligned. And they said, well, we can line it up by measurements, but they couldn't get it in. So then I found a place in, I don't know, near Pittsburgh.
I don't know.
It's an hour and a half away, I think. Hour and 45 by back roads. And I have an appointment. Not until September 19th. I went, okie dokie.
Yeah, so we'll be coming back from the Cape. Just to run off and do that. So the 8-hour ride or 9-hour ride is not going to be long enough. We're going to have another 9-hour ride plus with the truck and the bike.
Yeah. Unless you want to hang around for 4 hours.
Yeah.
So today we're going to go check it out. We're going to take the ride and check it out. So we finally found a CanAm dealership that actually works on the CanAm Spyders.
A legit one.
Yes. I don't know how these other ones can get the name. They put CanAm and they sell Spyders, but they don't work on them. All right, enough griping. Stay tuned. Oh, another thing. This morning, the place where I have my tires mounted and stuff like that, Hardcore Tire, I made an appointment to have it lined in, so it's supposed to be for today. But when I pulled up, I looked and go, oh, we thought you were talking about something different. Because they can't get the CanAm up on their alignment machine. So I had the tires rotated because I was wearing on the inside. So they had to unmount the tires, flip them around, and put them back on because we need the direction. The tires only go on one way. So they did that, and it's already handling a lot better. It's not all over the road like it was earlier. We're on Route 66, alternate route, and yes, we did have a lot of rain last night. So there's a few places that overflowing with water.
Yeah.
Boy, Route 2 is a mess already.
Yep.
Yep. But this is a nice road. We've been on this road before.
Where we were going? Who knows?
Yeah. Stay tuned for more of our exciting adventure to the CanAm dealership. Mosite or something? Did I pronounce it right?
Yeah, Mosites
Motorsports. see if we can find him. So stay tuned. We're in Apollo, PA. On Route 66. And our next turn will be on 356, which is in about 2 miles. If you're following us on a map.
Yeah.
We're on Pleasant Valley Road, and a nice road.
I think this is Murraysville.
Maybe. I don't know. But we're still on our way to the CanAm dealership by back roads. When we go in September, I'm sure we'll be taking the highway. Stay tuned for more. Maybe we'll get lost. We don't know. There's always that chance. Actually, we're never lost.
No.
It's always a adventure. Okay. Here we are. This place is huge. Went inside, they cover everything. Ducatis, they got Yamahas, Triumphs, Harleys, Indian, everything's in here. Place is huge. On-road, off-road. They cover everything. Neat place. The view from the place. This is the building. Holy moly. Check this place out.
Why it's so big.
Now this is the dealership.
Yeah.
This is the one you go to. Check this place out. Wow. This place is huge. Well, this is about 5 miles from our house. Nice downward little hill.
Yeah, it's a little one.
Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful scenery. So, alright, it was a nice ride. We'll probably have one more video just as we pull it into the yard. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.
I've seen it 100 times.
Okay, home sweet home. There's Daisy in the window. Lucky. We're home.